Hello everyone, I'm Mansi Patel from Mansi Creations, and today we are going to make star-shaped card. This is the sample and we will also decorate the card. So without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. To make this card, we are going to need glue, any colored paper, ruler, pencil, and scissor. We will also need any printed paper that will match with the colored paper that you are using. So let's just begin making the card. So we will mark 22 centimeter on 3 of the sides. Then draw a line on 2 of the opposite side as you see in this video. Then mark at half point on both of the lines, which is at 11 centimeter. Then connect both of the dots of half point and draw a straight line. So next, remember the points that we made at 22 centimeter. So put ruler on that point and draw a 22 centimeter line on the straight line that you drew in the middle. I know it is little confusing, but just follow what I'm doing in the video. So once you draw a line on the one of the side, draw the same line on the another side, mark 22 centimeter and draw a line, and you will see that it will form a triangle. So now on this triangle, mark half point again, which is 11 centimeter on both of the lines. So now connect all the 3 dots that we made. One we had done it earlier, and the 2 of the dots that we just made, and it will form another triangle inside. Once that is done, go to the half point on one of the lines and mark 3.5 centimeter both on the upper side of the line and the lower side of the line. Do that on all the 3 lines of the triangle. So after marking 3.5 centimeter, connect the both 3.5 centimeter lines as shown in the video on all the 3 sides. And after that, it will look something like this. So now we will just cut the big triangle, and time to fold the lines. So since I'm using paper, I'm just folding my lines just like that. But if it's a thick paper, you can also use paper squatter or ruler just like this. So now we fold the inside lines. Once we are done folding the lines, it will look something like this. And then fold the paper as shown in the video. And your star is ready! I'm going to use this red colored paper So draw 10 centimeter triangles for 3 of the sides. You might think why 10 centimeter, you'll just see in a moment. So the lower broad part, like the line, is gonna be 3 centimeter. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting off 3 centimeter from each triangle. So the broad line will go underneath and the triangle would go on the upper side. And just glue them on. And it will look something like this. So for this one, I wanted to do like different colors, so when you close it, this color is different. So I put printed paper on this one. You can use the plain paper as well. So it's really tricky how to cut this kind of shape. So what I did is I just put this, and this was here, right? So I just turn it around. Okay, let me show you in a separate piece. So I just put it like that and fold it like this in shape. So fold it like that and have like a rough idea. So just mark a line like that, and also on this side. So mark a line and then mark 3 centimeter. So 3 and 3 centimeter on this side. And then just join 2 lines and cut it. So you get something like this, and you can stick that over here and it will look something like this. So this is printed paper and that's plain paper but different color. I used yellow because this one had orange. So you just open and you can put picture here, and if you want you can also put printed paper or different color paper here. And there you go, you have your star shape card ready.